7, 8, 9, 10. Huh? 6, 10. 10. 10. 7 plus 5. 7, 7, 8, 9. 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Huh? 11 plus 5. 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 answer. 16. 5 plus 7. Saman tayo'y papalalian. Ipapabalikan ng kakaibigan. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 4, 10.
Mana, finish na? Okay, let's check your answer daw, be. 5 plus 2, 7 is correct. Wala lagi ka nag-stick. Paano ka nag-answer?
Kamay.
Kamay. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Correct. 7 plus 5 equals
12.
12. Very good. 11 plus 5 equals
16.
16. Very good. Nag-cheat ikaw, wala?
Wala.
Oh, very good. 7 plus 8? Ano na?
15.
Sige daw. I-count daw. Pakita daw sinang
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Very good. Very good. Oh, 9 plus 6 equals
15.
15. 3 plus 8 equals
12.
sure. Again, count. Ano man imong gisulat raw? Hindi daw. Count daw. 3 plus 8 equals
8,
hmm.
7, 6,
Hindi sunod sa number 8. Ulit. 3
8.
plus
8,
8.
9, 10, 11.
Unsa ni?
11.
Very good. 20 plus 5 equals
25.
25. Paano ka nag-count of 20?
20.
Sige daw, pakitaan ako, be.
20. 21, 22, 24, 25.
Nakag-skip na number ulit. 20.
Wait.
Ano sunod sa 20?
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Very good. 15 plus 7 is
15 plus 7. 7, 8,
what's the biggest number?
15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Yay! Mataba ang utak. Last number. 12 plus 6. What's the biggest number?
12, 12, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18 up here. Perfect! 100! Hard na si Fiona mag-plus, guys. Pero dili pa siya kabalo mag-minus. Dili pa kabalo mag-minus, no? Ang next na lesson is subtraction. Minus, correct. Up here. Bye! See you next time!